Hey, it's Sammy on June 20th. We took 5 trades today for a total of 3,986 pips. Let's jump into the first trade and see what we got. So this first trade was 3 news announcements. So we go ahead and we've got some short time frame data kicking up. We've got volatility breaks, some sentiment lining up, and 3 time frames of momentum pulling us to the short side. We're going to go ahead and move that stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect our trade. So we're hitting this gray shadow box down here by this 61.8 Fibonacci. We're going to go ahead and manually close this trade down with 573 pips. This is our second trade. This is the trade that's at the open of the day. So we got a lot of volatility here and we have a lot of momentum kicking in. We're breaking that sentiment and we still have our volatility breaks rolling over to the short side. We're going to go ahead and move our stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect this trade and our equity during this volatile time. We have our take profit set down here at this gray shadow box right above yesterday's low, and it's going to go ahead and take our take profit at plus 864 pips. This is our third trade. You can see we went and rode down to the yesterday's low at that gray shadow box. We waited for the data to decay and roll over to the high side to go long. Now we're going to go through this yesterday's high zone here. We're entering the market and we're going to go up to daily resistance 2. We can see we're working with short time frame data. We broke sentiment and pulled this trade up very quickly to hit our take profit of 801 pips. This is our fourth trade. We just came down and hit numeric bull support. We are coming back. All of the data is growing now to go long. So we're going to take what's called a ceiling trade. Apologize that we were late starting the recording. You can see we already have our stop loss brought up to break even plus 25 to protect this trade. The idea with a ceiling trade is we're just trying to get up to that previous high level, which is at this 223.6 Fibonacci extension, and we're going to go ahead and lock in 714 pips. This is our fifth and final trade. This is the reversal at the end of the day. There was a lot of great moves while I was at the gym and having lunch today that I didn't get, and that's okay because we can trade both ways. We're coming in on our mechanical signature soda trade. We've been in this trade for about 5-10 minutes now, but we are just starting to gain some steam finally. Now we can move our stop loss to break even plus 25 after we're through all this volatility and chop right here. We got a lot of short time frame data pulling our trade right down to our take profit. So as we hit that take profit area and started pulling back away from it, we quickly locked 1,034 pips. I dragged the trade out of the trade journal to place it on the chart so you could see exactly where our take profit was and exactly where we shut down the trade manually. We're using numeric data across momentum, sentiment, and volatility to increase our probability of a fast and safe trade. If you want to learn how to read this data, use this data to take consistent winning trades, book a call. We'll walk you through the process.